Hey guys, so today we are gonna go and do a quick walkthrough as to the progress of the house. Right now we have all the floors down and we have all the walls down, and we are going to now be taking down all of the bathrooms and some of the flooring in the offices and in the kitchen. So I'm gonna have a walkthrough and I'll just do a quick tour, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions and leave a comment down below. Likes. Bye.
Hey guys, so this is the entryway. As you walk into the foyer, we've picked up all the tile. You guys don't understand how much tile we had. And going over here, that's the office. We've also picked up all the flooring. Right ahead of me is the laundry room. This, my friends, is going to be the powder room. Also had tiles, picked them all up. You guys don't know. It's honestly a tedious task to do all this, but it's going to be well worth it in the end. This is the laundry room. We will be removing that sink and in placing with a beautiful wash basin with a cabinet. Over here, we now walk into the living room, which will be my no kid zone. All you mamas know exactly what I'm talking about. It's going to have a fluffy couch with curtains and a beautiful rug. No kids can come in here. Over here, we have my dining room. And also, we picked up all the parquet. We're taking down that chandelier. The curtain is gone as well. So these are the stairs. I'm going all over the place. These are the stairs, and now we're going into the fireplace area, which is going to be the den. We've knocked down the fireplace. You know, it had that big red bricks, you know, the old-fashioned big fireplace. We took that right out. It's going to be more modern to fit our style. This will be a wall for open spacing. We're taking it right down so we can have more light coming in from the kitchen into the den. Over here is the kitchen. I'm so excited. It's going to be awesome, guys. Brand new white cabinets, gray bottoms, white tops, white countertops. We're going to exchange that light fixture up there as well. That's the backyard. We're going to have a great wood tile as well, guys. I really recommend anyone with kids, with high traffic areas, to really invest in wood tile. It looks like wood, but it's tile. It's super inexpensive. It's so sturdy, and it's going to last you guys a very long time, especially if you have kids and a dog and all those traffic areas. I really recommend that you guys look into wood tile. A lot of floor companies do have those in stock. Over here is the top floor. This is going to be the kids' washroom. We're going to have a double vanity, double sink. Also picked up all the floors, and tub is gone. We're going to have a brand new tub, tile from floor all the way along the wet wall. And I love it because there's a window in here. All natural light. It's going to be awesome. And this is where the toilet will be. I'm sure you guys don't want to know that. So we walk down the hallway, and I'm only showing you guys what we're renovating. Later on, I can definitely do a home tour. This is the ensuite. Yeah, I know it's small, but honestly, it's perfect. It will be perfect. We will make it our own. This will be the shower. We're going to have a huge, tall shower. And here will be the toilet. Also, washroom window, so we don't need a fan. And we're going to try to put a double vanity here as well. We think it might work. It may be a little tight, but my husband and I can share. So that ends today's house to home tour. And I'll definitely have more updates on the house. Thanks for watching. Bye.